This is called path variable. I will go back to, before I click this, I will take you to my code. So here I will simply click on send button. See, both has come now, part of my path variable. Clear? That 14 also has come, name also has come. Now I will continue, go inside that method. Okay, eventually it has executed the part. It has bring all the records. Basically, skip that part. Anyways, I will come back and show you again how this is written. Let this time pass it. I will again send it just to showcase. So now it will come to my fetch student info, passing the 2 parameter. Now here you can see that this is new method, right? I have created, passing this to this, going to query to my database, give me that particular row. This is optional anyways. Optional, inside optional I should be having value as a student object. If I simply execute, I get my student object here, that entity, whatever that particular row, you see, it is returning me based on my 2 column data. I close this. I will take you over there. Oh, sorry. Before I take you, I wanted to show you the console, how the query is being triggered. You can see here, student ID as this, name as this, roll number as this, from student. You can see this query has been executed just because of that line. So in the column wise, I can do that directly. I don't need anything else. This time this query executed, I will execute this as well. Simply replace this with this. I will do that. Correct? So now if I come here and simply, instead of this line,
the first approach is better than the second one.
Up to you. There is nothing called better or bad or good. Up to you. But yes, if you ask in terms of performance, yes, this one is the better, which we commented. Now it is directly student object. I think I am getting this dot student repository. But the problem is find by name and ID. See, there is any method name. Name is not a matter here. Where I pass student ID, comma, student name. That's it. Then I'm doing the second approach. Now, in this time, this is going to be invoked. Student ID by name. So here it comes. Now let me restart. Stop and rerun.
Put the method there, right?
Where?
That method you implemented.
This one?
Oh yeah, you got it.
No, instead of this, because both will give me the same result, right?
Okay.
I just wanted to show how to use query. Up to you how you going to use. If you see that, okay, it is pretty straightforward based on column I need to find, do this. Let's say you need to do join, you need to do any other query, you need to write like this. Multiple column involvement, instead of writing like this, write a simple query, it's fine. Okay, so now it is already started, I will do debug again. I will enable debug.
So with this query, like inner join or write outer join or that kind of thing.
Yeah, you can write anything. You can write anything. Subquery, inner join. Okay,
Yeah.
now you will see. Say this. The student object has returned. So if I go to console, you can see this same query has been executed, passing the name and ID. Almost same query, right? In the where condition. Because it's all data, right?
Yeah.
I can fetch specific data also if I want. Let's say if you're saying I don't need all data, can I fetch specific data? Yes, you can do. S dot student name. Maybe I wanted to fetch a role. I don't want to fetch all data.
Yeah.
You can do that. Particular data also you can fetch. Here. So now it is returning. I will simply execute. I'll get the proper result. Clear, everyone, what I'm doing?
What is that warning, by the way? The housekeeper.
Which is warning? In service?
Bottom one. No, in the console. The last one.
Okay, so this is not warning. This is saying that threat, starvation, or clock leap detected. Something it is saying that okay, this some clock pull is there. So this also we can ignore.